Hey guys, it's Errol Crockett here. I want to thank you for signing up for the free book, The 5 Amazing Tips on How to Sell Anything Online. It's a great compilation of things that I've learned over the years about selling product online. I've had some great successes, and I put it all in the book. Okay, so it's a great basic start for anybody who's ready to sell things online. But I'd like to introduce you to a more advanced training. It's called the One Funnel Away Challenge. And I got to tell you the truth about it. I took this course by mistake. I was literally on the phone with the customer service people trying to get my money back, but they convinced me to take the course. And man, I am glad I did. I mean, knowing what I know now, if they try to charge $2,000 for this course, I would have taken it. You got some of the best marketers in the world saying that these are some of the best courses that they've ever taken, including college courses. So I really implore you, just take a look at it. Just click the link below and it'll take you to the page and they'll tell you all about it. Okay, it's a great accountability strategy. You get videos every day. You get instruction, step-by-step instruction every day. You really get the inside knowledge on how to do this. Okay, and I'm really excited about it. So that's why I'm promoting it. So click the button below and take a look at it and take the challenge. If you're into this, I hope you love it as much as I did, okay? I'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye now.